Alright, I'm standing here at Armstrong Pass. We came up the Armstrong Connector trail from Oneida Street down off Pioneer Trail down by the lake. We're going to try to do Mr. Toad's wild ride, but as you can see, we're running out of daylight. I just talked to a couple guys going the other way. They're thinking that we got about another 2 hours before we get to the summit. And that's probably not going to look like a good idea, so we're going to backtrack. But I've been here for about 15-20 minutes and I haven't seen the other guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start the backtrack early, catch up with them, make sure nobody's hurt, and we'll head back down the same way we came up, which actually was pretty fun. So here we go. What's up, fellas?
Big call for you.
Holy crap, that scared me.